Sabote change to Aka.
Please
Sabote Aka.
prepare Castro Aubrey and Gloria Angel.
Start. Please be ready. Arte, Blessed, Aka, Magno, Emarde, Faye, Au. Please be ready after this round.
AKKR coach, please change to Aka. Si Sabote po.
Intermediate kata boys. Please proceed to the staging area now. Pagdaka Joe from SCIA Philippines out. So Sebastian Carla from the SKSGS proceed out. Dava Aiden from SCIA Philippines out. Apollo Clarence from Robert Yuki.
Next bout, Castro Aubrey Angeline, Gloria Angel. Start.
Akiben Twain GDS Philippines out. And Nora, please proceed to the staging area.
Please prepare Shihan Irene Yanto, Gwyneth Angela Llano.
Winner, Au, Abela Shende. Same belt. Next bout, Arte, Blessed, Aka, Magno, Emarde, Faye, Au. Start. Please be ready. Sipalay, Corinne, Benedict, Aka, Banyes, Kisha, Dayan, Au. Please be ready. Winner, Aka, Arte, Blessing, same belt. Next bout, Sipalay, Corinne, Benedict, Aka, Banyas, Kisha, Au. Start. Next bout, and then after this bout, please be ready, Deloy, Joanna, Aka, Cesante, Azar, Reyes, Au.
Winner, Au, Gloria Angel. Next bout, Yanto Shihan Irene versus
Winner,
Gloria
Aka.
Angel.
Kathleen Zaki from AKKR. Kathleen, you will have 1 minute rest. Sabote Aka.
Gwyneth
Kathleen,
Llano from
change to Aka.
Tuntao.
Proceed tayo sa 10 to 11 years old intermediate kata girls habang nag-change yung sa advance. Amarado Brianna Jillian. Amarado Brianna Jillian. Talio Cassandra.
Please prepare the
Intermediate
Lolo.
and intermediate. Start.
Please prepare the Lolo versus Christina C.
Again, this is intermediate.
Winner, Aka, Sipalay, Corinne, Benedict. Please change your belt to Au.
After this match, we will have the championship round for 10 to 11 years old advanced kata girls. This is in between
Gold to
Sabote
13 from Advanced Kata Girls.
Shihan
Gold
Irene.
to 13 Advanced Kata Girls. Andrea Zairo 14 to 15 advanced kata girls. 14 to 15 advanced kata girls. Alvarez Diana Marie. Alvarez Diana Marie. Vista Amber Veronica.
Again, this match is
Please,
intermediate.
Bedoy Joanna Cassandra. Cesante Asia.
Nodalo K. Nodalo K. Alfante Mary. To my left.
Please be ready for Menda James Ciare Aka Rama Makare Ao.
14 to 15 advanced kata girls. Again, Alvarez Lian Marie. Alvarez Liana Marie. Vista Amber. Volcan.
Next bout, Laura Rubies versus
Rodado Sydney. Alfante Mary. Rama Juliet.
Catherine.
Varias Isabella. Buenas Tiel.
again,
Daniel
Amarado
Denise.
Biana.
Luya Albert.
Next bout, championship. 10 to 11 years old advanced
Winner,
categories.
Ao
Sabote
Cesante
and
Asia Reyes. Change your belt to
Aldonia Dorothy.
Colleen Cesante Azia,
No, stop. Next bout, Corvetta Jamil Ciare Aka Rama Makare Ao. Start.
last call, Cesante Azia Rai, please prepare.
Please
Bangosmo
ready Karungay Pearl Hermione for Aka, Mantos Maria Cobre Files for Ao. Please prepare.
Calling the attention of 10 to 11 years old advanced kata boys, please proceed to tatami 3. Kuya Ziggs Nigel, ASK Cebu. Sapan Ian Zachary from PMA JKS Dumaguete. Dos Sar Ezekiel, UBSSKI JKS Tagbilaran CI. Reverend Jefferson Jaidel from JKS Philippines ED. Tansiko Van Jenderson from ASKS JKS Cebu City.
winner, Ao Cesante Azia Rai.
Kel Caden Edward Shea.
Winner, Ao Rama Makare.
Madonia
Same
Jesse
belt.
from JKS
Next
Tagbilaran.
bout.
Next bout, Bangosmo
Apelido Wilfredo from AKKR.
Lianto Margiari,
Next bout, Karungay Pearl Hermione Aka, Mantos Maria Cobre Files Ao.
Margiari Lianto,
Metante Trey from JKS Philippines City. Bumhalo Inigo from Facebook. Herrera Rafael Past.
last
ISK.
call, Margiari Lianto,
ASKS JKS.
Please be ready, Ragay Riza Aka, Kuyat Upper Ao. After this bout.
please prepare. Donovan versus Di Torres.
Last call, 8 to 9 years old.
Dos